The best smart money indicator for TradingView. It all starts with price action. Understanding core price action principles is the key to becoming a consistently profitable trader. I present to you the ultimate smart money indicator, which is comprised of liquidity lines, volatility candles, contraction boxes, consolidation zones. These are the key price action principles to help give you an edge in the market. These contraction boxes are based on the master pattern concepts. It shows us the footprints of the smart money. Our indicator components are comprised of these consolidation zones, contraction boxes or the smart money boxes, these volatility candles, liquidity lines, and pivot points. When you add all of these together, it gives you the ultimate trading tool that you will ever use. Number one, consolidation zones. The logic of the code identifies consolidation points, and when you get a break in these structures, it can show us that price wants to move in another direction. These are key points that you want to become aware of. The smart money boxes, these are leading incoming volatility signals. It lets us know what is going to happen next. We got these volatility candles, which play out perfectly with our ultimate strategy. You can see displacement of price gets highlighted green when going up, and displacement gets red going down. Displacement up, consolidation, and as soon as we get a break, this becomes our entry points. So this is based on price action key principles. Higher high, low low liquidity lines show us where stop losses are resting. This can be a standalone strategy just on its own. So if you can imagine, there's pools of liquidity resting in all these areas. These become excellent places to enter or exit your trades. And then we got pivot point higher high and higher low areas that get marked on the chart for you. So you can become aware of market structure, and you can know when market structure starts to shift to the upside or the downside without having to guess what is going on. This indicator will surely show you how to trade like the banks. This is an 85% winning strategy based on real-time trading data. The creation of this indicator was formulated through my code and logic and experience with the master pattern. I teamed up with a veteran pro trader, and we combined his strategy with my in-depth knowledge about how the markets work. And this is the gist of the strategy. So as soon as you can notice there's an uptrend, you can use EMAs. There's multiple ways we teach in our group. But once you know the direction of the trend, we wait for these smart money boxes to form. Once they form, we wait for price to break out of the consolidation level. This gives us our pinpoint timing when to enter the trade and the optimal points to catch the next trend up. Here's a breakdown of a before and after. Here's before the trade. You can see we get our smart money box being formed. Price breaks out at this level over here. We could enter right over here. We ride the trend up. You can see the displacement candles. Then we get our consolidation zone. If you get a consolidation zone with a smart money box forming on the inside, we know that this can be our prime time to enter. Price breaks out of the box, and this becomes our entry points. I actually entered this exact trade right over here, and you'll see price breaks below and up and then starts to drop. There's many different ways to trade this strategy, and in our group we teach you the best ways to use this strategy and this indicator for ultimate success. You can trade stocks, crypto, gold, forex, indices, everything. This indicator will work on any financial asset. There's multiple other techniques you can use alongside with it for extra confidence. I like to use the TDI, and as you can see in this example, if the TDI crosses the middle band, that is a strong sign the market sentiment is turning bearish. As well as if we can see we've got the consolidation with the smart money box forming, it's a stronger sign that price is going to be going down. We can take profit at our fair value gaps. These are excellent areas to exit or at liquidity lines. Let me now explain in more detail how this strategy works. The smart money indicator shows you the most important zones to trade. There are two types of zones that we look for. These are either continuation zones or reversal zones. With continuation zones, we're looking for a drop-based drop or a rally-based rally. With reversal zones, we're looking for a rally-based drop or a drop-based rally. The bases are the footprints of the institutions, and our software shows you exactly when these bases are developing. These consolidation zones and the smart money boxes are the key to reveal the footprints of these big market makers. These are incoming volatility signals that allows you to predict the future and know what will happen next. Here is an example of continuation zones. We get a drop, we get a base, and a drop again. Or we get a rally, a base, and a rally. Depending on the trend, if it's a downtrend, we know it's a drop, base, drop. If it's an uptrend, we know it's a rally, base, rally. Super simple. And for our reversal zones, we know it's a drop, then we form a base. What you get is a drop with massive volatility. That's why we have these volatility candles. So we see these massive green candles forming. We know there's extreme volatility. Price starts to form a base, and then we can anticipate the price will go up and rally because our smart money boxes will form over here. As price breaks out of the box, we enter. And on the other side, we get the rally, base, and drop. These are the best trades to trade and have a high risk to reward winning ratio once you can identify them and know how to enter them correctly. As I said, these reversal zones are the best setups to focus on. The key to supply and demand is really paying attention to displacement. Displacement is when you get a sudden massive move to one side. So if price drops rapidly over here, we'll see in the displacement candles, and then we get a base, and then we get a massive move up again. Displacement is the key that we want to start to pay attention to. Here is an example of this displacement. So you can see we've got a rally going up. Can you see these displacement candles? These massive candles. This is showing us, look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, that the big players are injecting large amounts of money into this asset. Then all of a sudden it stops, forms our consolidation zones, and we get a smart money box forming in the center. This can let us know what is about to happen next. So we get this rally up, base, and this drop down. This is a very usual pattern. And this strategy I learned from a 6-year veteran trader who's a consistently profitable winning trader. In our group, he gives trade breakdowns and he teaches his strategy and how to use it with this indicator. If you want to find out more, check the link below. In order to win in the market, you need to understand the behavior of the market. The market trends between 10 to 30% of the time, and it ranges the rest of the time, around 70, 80, sometimes even 90% of the time. So you'll see we get a drop, which is a trend, then range, then trend, then range, then trend, then range, then trend. This is just how the market moves. So if you can anticipate its movement and then have the ultimate smart money indicator, which shows you clear as daylight how to trade with this movement, it makes it a no-brainer, game-changing tool to help you become more consistent in the markets. Here are the 2 winning setups that you really want to pay close attention. We're first looking for a strong move down, a strong push down with displacement. Then we're looking for a base to form and then a rally in the opposite direction. You see, banks need sellers to buy and accumulate from, and banks need buyers to sell and distribute to. Through this strategy and price movement, this allows banks to pick up a lot more orders at the best possible prices. Whatever you do as a trader, you want to learn how to emulate the market maker's strategy. This is one of the most important principles you can learn if you want to become a winning trader. And number 2, we're looking for a strong move up, a base, and a strong move down. This is the exact same process, just the other way around. But in essence, we're looking for these rally base drops and drop base rallies. Let us get into some more details here. You can see price drops, bases, and rallies. Rallies, bases, and drops. So our software shows you exactly the key areas once you get the consolidation box and our smart money box forming in the center. This gives you the strong clue of what is going to happen next. The smart money indicator helps you identify these high win rate setups and allows you to become a sniper in the market. Let us go to the charts and I will show you in real time how this works. Before I go into the charts, I want to show to you our private Discord group where we offer Forex signals, crypto signals, and we have an extremely high win rate on our signals. This month alone, we've had extremely successful results. You can see over here, these are the trades given this month, and we've had only 1 loss in this entire month. Come trade live with our traders where we use this indicator software You get access to the software when you enter into the group, and you get access to these live trades every single day. You trade side by side a winning Forex trader every day using the software he uses and the strategy he uses. It's a no-brainer if you want to become a consistently profitable trader. If we go into our crypto signals, look at our results: 16%, 24%, 23%, 14%, 28%. This month, we've had hundreds of percent of winning trades given in our group. We have more in-depth training for our indicator. Here we go, the ultimate smart money indicator. Guys, if you want to win as a trader, click on the link below, get access to our group. You get free trading signals, crypto and Forex, plus access to pro traders. Plus, you get our ultimate smart money indicator. So check in the link below, come join us, and let's become winning profitable traders. So here you go, I've just opened a chart up to show you exactly how this works. And at a glance, you can see over here, you can see price drops down with this placement. We get our consolidation boxes form, and then we get our smart money box form in the center. And as you can see, as price breaks out of the box, this would have been our entry. See here guys, we get this drop with momentum, then we get a base, and then we get a rally up. Here's another example. You can see we're on a downtrend. Every time we get a smart money box form and price breaks out of the box, it becomes our entry point. Here, new smart money box, price breaks up, entry point. Here's another example. You can see we're on a clear downtrend over here. Every time price breaks out of a smart money box, this becomes our entry. Smart money boxes breaks up. This would have been a bit of a fake out, but here would have been a fantastic entry right here. So there's multiple different ways to trade with this indicator. We offer you all the training plus the live trading signals, so you can enter when our pro traders enter using this indicator, so you can start to familiarize yourself with how professionals trade and how effective and powerful this trading tool actually is. But do not take my word for it. Do not trust what I'm saying. Test it for yourself. Click on that link below. Get access to our group, start winning immediately with our winning trading signals, start testing out the indicator, start learning how to use it, and learn to master smart money trading. If you want to end up on the winning side of the market, you have to understand how the smart money trade. This is a key foundational core aspect for any trader to master. If you have any questions, feel free to message me, and have a successful trading day.